Before we jump in, I do earn a referral fee when you use the services and companies I demonstrate in the video, but there is no additional cost to you. I chose them because they're the best in the industry and you're safe with them. Starting a business can help lower your taxes. Starting a small business could lower your family's taxes, even if your new business is not yet profitable. Because a business can claim tax deductions for its share of housing, utilities, transportation, travel, and computer equipment, starting a small business can legally save you thousands of dollars in taxes on your and your spouse's full-time job income. The government wants to stimulate the U.S. economy, so they generously give tax deductions for business startup costs and operating expenses. Keep reading to learn about the IRS regulations regarding home businesses, side hustle gigs, part-time businesses allowed tax write-offs, and cautions on how to prove that your business is not merely a hobby, for which deductions are not allowed. Before we jump into the video, please note that I may earn a referral fee from the services and companies I feature, but rest assured, there's no extra cost to you. I chose Zen Business and Busy because they are one of the best entity formation platforms out there in the market. And get worry-free services and support to launch your business starting at $0 plus state fees. Also in Zen Business includes one optional free year of worry-free compliance that renews at $199 per year. They support small businesses at every stage. And Busy also provides 100% free formation, super fast filing speeds, first year free registered agent, and free compliance reminders. First, I'll start a Zen Business dashboard, then we'll show Busy. After clicking the link in the description below, you will land on this page. Scroll down a little and below the business type section, you will see the Start an LLC option. Click on the green button and your LLC formation process will begin. As you can see the three different types of package, then identify the LLC package and services that fit your needs and then get started, then put your business name and the state you want to form your LLC at. After you are done, click on Next. As you can see, it says my business name is available for registration in the state of California. As you can see, they have this cool question-answer checkbox type interface that basically guides you through the whole LLC formation process. After that, it will ask you whether you want to get their registered agent service or not, then EIN and bank account. Once you are done with all information and payment, they will start processing your order and you will receive your LLC within 7 to 9 business days. Now, I'm going to show you how to start an LLC using Busy, and in the description down below you also find a review of their service. They are one of the best entity formation platforms in the market that charges $0 for their service. Now let me just show you what types of services Busy provides to business owners. After arriving on their website here you will see the list of all the services they provide. Under the Start Your Business section, you will see 4 of their key services which are form an LLC, C Corporation, S Corporation, and Nonprofit. As you can see there are 3 different packages: Silver, Gold, and Platinum. And the first thing that's worth mentioning is that the state fee does not change. You can see it's $236 in all the packages. Some of the extra services that are included in this package are preparing and filing the articles of organization, unlimited name searches, free registered agent for 1 year, and unlimited phone and email support. Next, the Gold package, which costs $249, and this is the package I highly recommend, which filing EIN, which is a business tax number, Form 2553, operating agreement, business bank account, lifetime company alerts, tax consultation, etc. In the next section, Busy is asking you to provide your LLC name and its designation. After that, ask you whether you want to get a registered agent through them or not. Getting a registered agent is a legal requirement in order to file an LLC in any state. Busy is providing registered agent service free for 1 year, and after that, it's $119 per year. Busy is asking you whether you want to get an EIN or not. In the next section, Busy will ask you whether you will set up a small U.S. business bank with Bank of America, then if you want to get a free tax strategy or consultation call with them. In the Busy dashboard, if you go to Legal and then Licenses and Permits. Note, before taking out a loan or using a credit card, please confirm. When it comes to riba, it is considered haram in Islamic law. For Muslims, please see additional options for debit cards or other cards, as well as the proper procedure for obtaining a business loan. They can do this research for you and make sure that you have all the proper licenses and permits. After providing all the information, the Z will be the one handling all the documents and registering your LLC on your behalf, so you won't need to go through any of these hassles. Okay, now let's get back in today's video. Expenses, tax deductions for starting a business. There are two types of expenses that you can deduct from your taxes: startup costs and ongoing operating expenses. Startup cost tax write-offs. The IRS allows three types of startup costs eligible for tax deductions. You can only write them off of your taxes if you actually opened the business. Creation, costs for research, competitor analysis, surveying markets, and visiting possible business locations. These costs can be associated with creating a new company or investigating an existing business for investment consideration. Preparation, costs for opening your company, such as equipment, employee training, travel to suppliers, advertising and marketing expenses, business cards, and legal fees. Organizational, expenses for incorporating your company, registering trademarks, salaries for company directors, and accounting fees. The IRS allows you to deduct up to $5,000 in business startup costs and $5,000 in organizational costs, totaling $10,000, but only if your total startup costs are $50,000 or less. If your startup costs are over $50,000, you're not allowed these deductions. These monies can be applied to reduce your taxes in the year before you open your business in the following year. Business operational tax deductions expenses. Once your business is open for customers, your list of tax deductions expands dramatically to include these expenses. Car transportation, you can deduct a portion of your car expenses, including gas and oil, when you use your vehicle for business purposes such as traveling to customers, suppliers, trade shows, and delivering merchandise. Housing, if you have space in your home that is dedicated exclusively to your business, you can deduct the business's proportional costs of that space, including mortgage, insurance, and property taxes, from your taxes. Utilities, dedicated phone lines for businesses are legal deductions, as are a portion of the costs to heat and cool your home business. Travel entertainment, if you travel to trade shows, customer presentations, and suppliers, your travel expenses can also be used as tax write-offs. Eating out, if you hold business meetings over dinner, coffee, or smoothies, you can deduct 50% of the cost of restaurant meals. Computer equipment and furnishings, Section 179 of the tax code allows up to 100% of computer equipment to be expensed annually, up to 6 figures. This is good news since it means that your new computer can be deducted in the same tax year. Computer software. Office supplies. Insurance premiums. Education, any education that will help in your business can be expensed, from training on how to use Photoshop to classes on bookkeeping. Best businesses to start today. Consulting, this can be home-based, where you travel to your customers or consult via telephone and internet. Deduct costs for home office space, telephone lines, internet access fees, and computer equipment. Internet, this can be website designers, coders, programmers, e-commerce store owners, online advertising agencies, and website copywriters. Read about our best online business ideas. Handmade artisan, create crafts and art to sell in galleries, craft fairs, and online. Deduct expenses for materials and supplies, travel to fairs, and education. Get ideas for your craft business name on our list. Services, offer services for tutoring, organizing, event planning, carpentry, and hairstyling. Deduct all your equipment and material costs, plus your cell phone, tools, and trucks. Can starting a small business help with taxes? Yes, the IRS allows you to deduct up to $10,000, $5,000 in startup costs and $5,000 in organization costs, such as incorporation, from your personal taxes a year prior to opening your company. Then in the same tax year that you open your doors, you can also deduct additional ongoing expenses such as home offices, mortgage and utilities, transportation, travel, supplies, advertising costs, and equipment. It's important that your business is actually attempting to produce a profit, otherwise, it will be considered a hobby, or worse, as an attempt to pull one over on the feds. This is crucial because hobby expenses are not tax deductible, and starting a business only for the tax benefits will come with penalties if investigated. If the IRS comes knocking, they'll look for evidence that you're making an honest effort, regardless of your success or skill, to produce a profit. Though there's no fast and hard list of things they will want to see: a website, accounting records, business-related receipts, a separate bank account, and activities like sales calls or marketing activities will help to show that you're endeavoring to create a profitable business. One other way the IRS looks to see if your business is a bona fide business is the rule of 3 out of 5. This is a way the IRS uses to determine profit motive, even if you don't make a profit right away. The rule is that if your business made a profit for any 3 of the past 5 consecutive years, your company is not just a hobby. Thank you for watching till the end. If you have any questions, ask me in the comment section and I will try to answer them as well as possible. Thanks for watching.